How to backup iPhone, iCloud backup on iPhone. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can backup on your iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you want to backup all of your iCloud data on iPhone, like the apps, photos, contacts, mails, accounts, just open up settings. Here it says iPhone not backed up if you have not enabled it, or you can go to your Apple ID here. Then here you can just select iCloud. Now here you can see apps using iCloud. You can tap on show all and you can turn on everything over here, or here you can see iCloud backup. Tap on it, then tap on backup this iPhone, backups over cellular data. Tap on backup now if you want to backup every little details like your photos, contacts, and so on. So I hope that this video helps you as to how you can backup your iCloud data. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.